In this video, we will learn why downloading heavy mobile apps often leads to unnecessary storage frustration. Progressive web apps function as a hybrid solution by offering seamless website accessibility combined with high-performance app capabilities. These applications eliminate the friction of navigating to an app store and waiting for a long download process. Users can install a PWA directly from their browser to their home screen with just one simple action. Service workers act as the core technology enabling offline access and background tasks within your progressive web app. These apps provide a native-like experience, including interactive push notifications and immersive full-screen display modes. Accelerated mobile pages prioritize high-speed content delivery to ensure a fast experience for all mobile users. Voice search optimization requires content to be structured specifically for natural language queries asked to virtual assistants asked in Virtual Studio. Motion UI uses purposeful animations to guide user attention and improve the perceived responsiveness of your interface. Augmented reality blends digital content with the physical world to significantly enhance user engagement during interactive sessions. Virtual reality creates fully immersive simulated environments designed for specialized training or high-end digital entertainment. Artificial intelligence enables powerful predictive analytics and personalized content recommendations based on individual user data patterns. Machine learning models automate complex decision-making processes based on real-time user behavior data collected during sessions. The integration of these modern technologies bridges the gap between broad web reach and powerful native app utility. Modern digital design focuses on speed, convenience, and intelligence to consistently meet evolving user expectations. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.